Hi everyone, welcome back to Wynters World. I'm Wynter.
I'm Hayley.
And I'm Justin. And what do we got here today, Wynter?
We got the sour, hot, and cold.
Yep, we got the Sour Patch Kids Fire and Freeze special edition, I guess they are. They're different. We haven't tried these yet, but I really like Sour Patch Kids, so they should be really good.
They might be really hot.
Yeah, I think these ones are supposed to be really, really hot, and these ones, they're going to make you frozen. You're going to go all cold and shiver. Maybe, I don't know. But we'll try the hot ones first.
What?
Yep. Get the hot ones first. Because if you eat the hot ones, you eat the cold ones and freeze your mouth. See? Alright. Alrighty. We'll get some flavours here. Get some flavours.
3, 2,
1. It's not that hot.
It's actually really hot.
Got a bit of spice to it.
The aftertaste. Oh yeah. You gotta eat it properly, Wynter.
I already knew that taste and made it spicy.
A bit spicy. Not bad.
It is nice. I guess you don't like spicy stuff.
Yeah, it just makes
We're growing up.
It's a little spicy.
Yeah, it's a little.
Yeah, the aftertaste is a little.
I wonder how they do that. I wonder
Maybe
if it has.
put some spicy and stuff.
Yeah, I wonder if it has like chili in it. Paprika. There you go. Yeah. They're nice though.
Yeah.
They're nice. Alright. So now,
The cold one.
yep, the cold ones, the freeze ones. I have a feeling I know what these are going to taste like. There's,
I think I can make a lot of them.
yeah, there's Cola Blast, Sparkling Fairy Floss, Limeade, and Lemonade. So the pink one is the Fairy Floss, yep. Try and grab one of each flavour.
Okay, I'm gonna grab one. You know why I grab one?
You grab the Fairy Floss.
They smell a little bit different.
Grab the blue
Yeah,
one
see?
and
All the flavours there. Try the Fairy Floss one first.
3,
Yep,
2,
2,
1.
1.
it feels minty.
That's all. Oh yeah, there's the mint.
Minty.
Very minty.
Yeah, very fresh.
Ooh, these are good. The minty freshness is really good. Wow. Breathe some ice.
I gotta breathe some.
Yeah.
Ice is hot.
These are really nice.
Try lemonade.
Lemonade.
It's like eating a mint. They're really nice.
It's really refreshing.
Yeah.
Not refreshing for me.
These are new for us, so if you've already tried them, let us know how you like them. If you're in Australia, I think they're more new in Australia, so we got them at Coles. I think you can get them at like 7-Eleven and stuff.
You get them at home?
Yeah. Yep. But yeah, thanks for watching our little food review thingy. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already,
Yeah.
and hit the bell. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.
See ya.